Hello and welcome to Teamsense. My name is Allison. I'm the product lead at Teamsense, and I'm excited to personally welcome you to the Teamsense family. We're excited to work with you and your organization to keep each of your employees safe, connected, and productive, particularly during this very uncertain time. In this short video for company administrators, I'll walk you through some of the features that you have available to you through the Teamsense platform and how you can get the most out of our product. If at any time during your experience with Teamsense you have questions or need support, you can always reach out to us at support@teamsense.com. Let's start with an overview of Teamsense. Teamsense is a platform that enables your organization to screen employees for symptoms of COVID-19 before they start work. It happens in 3 basic steps. First of all, we send a text link to employees before their shift starts. This includes a link that they can click on, which will take them to a mobile web page where they will see prompts telling them to report their health status. We find that most folks are able to report their health status within 15 seconds or less. At the end of the survey, employees will see a green screen with a clear on it, or a red screen with an alert on it, and instructions with next steps that are customized for your organization. In addition to self-reporting, we also have an option to screen employees on site. We find this most helpful for employees who don't have a smartphone or otherwise have limited Wi-Fi access and need to be screened by somebody else. As these employees complete their screenings, the results are loaded into a roster, which we send again via text to managers or other notified parties that have been designated by your organization. These rosters include a list of employees as well as the status or the ultimate result of that employee's screening. It's important to note that we do not include any specific responses about symptoms or any other details other than just the final result for that employee. These same managers or notified parties will also receive an additional text alert if an employee enters into the red or alert status. Finally, all of this data is tracked in an administrative dashboard, which you as a company administrator will have access to. This enables you to track the history of employee screening results and also enables you to store notes, edit employee statuses, and ensure that you can keep all of your information in one place. You as a company administrator will have access to all of this data, and this includes the specific responses that employees have provided in their survey, including symptoms. It is important that you know that this is all confidential information, and you should be familiar with all relevant privacy and confidentiality regulations regarding this. That's an overview of how Teamsense works, and now we'll dive into some of the specific functionality that you have as a company administrator at your fingertips. Let's start by getting you signed in to the Teamsense admin portal. If you're an authorized Teamsense administrator for your organization, you should have received a welcome email from support@teamsense.com inviting you to set up a password. Once you've set up a password, you can navigate to app.teamsense.com, enter your email and password, and sign in at any time. Once you've signed in, the first thing you'll see is our dashboard. The dashboard provides you with a summary of the number of employees in a given Teamsense status for that day. It also shows you the trends over the last 3 weeks for employee statuses. If you want to get into more details, you can click on the Employees tab up at the top. The Employees tab provides you with a list of all employees under your purview, as well as their current status in Teamsense. In the Employees tab, you can search for a given employee. You can also filter based on status, manager, groups, or if you're an organization that has divisions in Teamsense, you can filter by division as well. In this view, you also have the ability to manually edit an employee's status. In order to do this, simply click on their status, edit it to the desired state. You can add some notes if you'd like, and confirm. In order to see more information about a given employee, you can click on the employee's record. This will bring you to a view where you can see their statuses over time in a calendar format. You can see all notes created about an employee and even create a new one. You can see their history of the employee survey responses, each precise response that they have entered for any of their surveys in the past. And you can also see the last 10 messages that Teamsense has sent to this employee and whether or not they were successfully delivered. Finally, on the left-hand side, you'll notice employee information that is editable. Opening this edit window enables you to edit their contact information, their notification preference, and even deactivate an employee in the event that you need to remove an employee from our database. Should you ever run into any trouble while using Teamsense, click on the Help icon to take you to the Help Center where there are videos, articles, and FAQs, and a place to contact our team directly. Speaking on behalf of our team, we'd like to welcome you to Teamsense and are so excited to get you up and running.